Hi, my name is Yusuf, and this is my CS50 final project, a budget tracker written in Python. The goal of this project is to help users track their monthly budget by storing expenses, investment, and saving, and calculating the remaining balance. When the program runs, the user is asked to enter their monthly budget. As example, let's input 2000 and a date in a year and a month format. So let's say 2026 February and enter. After that, uh, we enter expenses, let's say 500. Then what is the amount that you will invest? And we put, let's go with 200. What is the amount that you will save? Let's go with another 500 and enter. And as you can see, two things happened. First, we got a table that shows the date that we just inputted and the budget, expenses, investment, savings, and the remaining amount. And we can see here that a new file was just created, a stored budget.csv file, which will store your budget so you can view it again later. And I can actually just show it again here. So if we enter another amount, like let's go with 2500, and let's enter another date, like March, okay, and let's go with enter. Now let's enter expenses, let's investment, and let's enter the amount that we would like to see. And now, as you can see, our first date and the amount that we entered, the budget, the expenses, investment, savings, and the remaining. And same goes for the other date that we uh, entered, as you can see. So, for error handling, in case of entering the same dates, let's go with February again, and let's just enter numbers. You will get an error message. This date already exists, so you cannot double the date. And same go for, we can try and just write cat. So enter a string, and same go for here, invalid input. And we can actually do the same for expenses and other amounts. So if we enter cat here, invalid input again. And if we try and enter a month, a date in the wrong format, invalid input again. So this was my CS50 final project. Thanks everyone, and I want to thank the teaching staff and Professor David J. Mailing. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.